Today we talk about how can you enable event cancellation notifications on your Meetup app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign or your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on push notifications here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on notification categories here. Then you come to next step here, come here to event cancellations here. Then you click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean event cancellations notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.